Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this additional of yesterday's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, March the 27th, 2021. Today, Sunday. We have no newspaper on Sunday, so I decided to continue with the puzzle page of Saturday, the additional. So the last puzzle is a tectonic one with 1 star, and this will be number 2546. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 printed digits. Alright. Do we have here single box or single boxes? No. Because the single box is always a 1, I cannot see any single boxes. I see here a dual box. The dual box contains the 1 and the 2. We see here a 2, so no 2 here. The 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then? No. No triple boxes. Quadra box? Here we have a quadra box. 1, 2, 3, and the 4 is there. More quadra box? No. And then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes or constrictions or figures. For example, here we have an L shape upside down. Okay, the L shape. Remember, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, do we have more L shape? No. I see this kind of shape. Okay, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So we have a 2 here, so this should be also a 2. Okay, do we have more here, but rotated? So this box has the same number as that box. So we have a 1 here, so this should be also a 1. And do we have more of these kind of shapes here? Another 1. So this box has the same number as that box. Here rotated. This box has the same number as that box, so this should be also a 2. Alright. Here another kind of figure or constriction, same constriction. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. And then do we have other figures? Yes. For example, this one. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Those are the figures or constructions or shapes. Alright, so let's get started. These two boxes cannot be a 1. These two boxes cannot be 2. So 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 2. It must be a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the 3 and the 5. Let me mark those, 3 and a 5. Here we have also 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and a 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 boxes left in this W shape for the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. A Z construction. I forgot the C constriction. Yes, the Z. Yeah, let me draw this. Remember that this box has the same number as that box, and this box has the same number as that box. So this is connected with that box, so it has the same number. So should be a 4. Okay. So this number has the same number as that box. Okay. Z construction rotated. Yeah, it's rotated. Okay. Then 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. Alright, this box, I think it should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. And then those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left for the numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and a 5. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. This box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. We have in this area 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 and the 5. All right, these 3 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Okay. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left in this W shape figure. 1 box left should be here. Alright, for the 1. Then. Let me see. And we have 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5 in this area. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and the 5. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. I think this box should be a 1 because it cannot be 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then 2 boxes left in this Z construction, the 2 and a 3. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. This box is connected with that box, so it should be a 2 and a 3. But I see here a 3, so it cannot be a 3 here. So this should be a 2. And it's connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this Z construction for the number 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Alright. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be 1, cannot be 2, cannot be 3, cannot be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this L construction for the number 5. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 3 there, so this is going to be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. Alright. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4. Cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be 3, cannot be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Look, so this should be also a 5. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, so it should be also a 1. Alright, 1 box left in this area for the number 3. Alright, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright, I think. Oh no, 2 boxes left in this W shape for the numbers 3 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a... No, I cannot. No. Okay. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 boxes left for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Let me mark those. 1 and 4. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 2 boxes left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. And now I cannot place a 1 here. Otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 4. And that box should be a 1. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Now 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, 3 boxes left now. 1 and the 4 are filled in, so the 2, the 3, and the 5 are left. Well, those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Exactly 13 minutes. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. And you can also find in my channel, if you like tectonic puzzles, you can find a playlist for the tectonics, but also a playlist for the Sudoku with 1 star, playlist for the Sudoku with 2 stars, playlist for the Sudoku with 3 stars, and a playlist for Sudoku with 4 stars. Also, I have playlist for binary puzzles, for the killer Sudokus, and also for the heavy and the light Sudokus. All kind of playlists you can find in my channel. So subscribe and hit the bell button, guys. Alright, thank you for watching again. Have a great day, have a great Sunday, and I will see you tomorrow on Monday. Have a great day. Bye bye for now.